Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Imagine this. You're cruising down the road, music playing, everything's fine, and then suddenly, bang, a loud, startling noise comes from your car. Your heart probably jumps into your throat. What was that? Is the car about to fall apart? It's a scary moment for any driver, but don't panic. Today, we're going to walk through the most common causes of that loud bang and what you should check first. This knowledge can help you stay safe and potentially save you a lot of money on repairs. First things first, safety is your top priority. As soon as you hear that loud bang, grip the steering wheel firmly. Don't slam on the brakes. Gently ease off the accelerator and look for a safe place to pull over, completely off the road. Turn on your hazard lights immediately to alert other drivers. Once you're safely stopped, turn off the engine and take a deep breath. Rushing can lead to mistakes, so give yourself a moment to calm down before you start investigating. Now, let's talk about the most common and obvious culprit. A tire blowout. This is often described as a loud pop or bang, sometimes feeling like a small explosion. After you've pulled over, do a walk-around inspection of all 4 tires. Look for any that are flat, shredded, or have visible damage to the sidewall. A blowout is unmistakable. You'll see rubber torn apart, and the rim might even be touching the ground. If you find a blown tire, you'll need to change it with your spare or call for roadside assistance. Driving on a flat, especially a completely blown-out tire, will destroy your wheel and can cause you to lose control of the vehicle. If your tires look okay, the next thing to consider is a backfire. A backfire sounds like a gunshot coming from your engine or exhaust. It happens when unburned fuel ignites outside of the engine's combustion chamber. This can be caused by a few things, like a bad air-fuel mixture, incorrect ignition timing, or even a clogged catalytic converter. While a single, rare backfire might not be a major crisis, frequent backfiring is a clear sign that your engine needs attention. It's telling you something is wrong with its combustion process, and ignoring it can lead to more serious engine damage down the line. So if you suspect a backfire, it's best to have a mechanic diagnose the root cause. Another potential source of a loud bang is a broken suspension component. Your car's suspension system is made up of springs, struts, and shocks that absorb bumps in the road. Over time, these parts can wear out and fail. A broken coil spring is a classic example. When a spring snaps under pressure, it makes an incredibly loud twang or bang. You might also notice the car sagging on one corner, or it might handle very poorly and feel unstable. Get down and look under your car near the wheels. Do you see a broken, jagged piece of metal? That's likely your culprit. Driving with a broken spring is extremely dangerous, as it severely compromises your car's stability and control. The car needs to be towed to a shop. Let's not forget the drive shaft and CV joints. These parts transfer power from the engine to the wheels. If a universal joint or a CV joint fails catastrophically, it can create a loud clunking or banging noise, especially when you accelerate or turn. You might also feel a strong vibration through the car. Look underneath the car along the center line for the drive shaft, or near the wheels for the CV axles. If you see a shaft hanging down, or a rubber boot that has torn open with grease slung everywhere, that's a major red flag. A failed drive shaft can disconnect from the transmission, causing you to lose all power to the wheels. Worse, it could fall and dig into the pavement, potentially flipping your car. This is another tow truck situation. No exceptions. So, to recap, if you hear a loud bang, pull over safely. Check your tires first. If they're fine, consider if it was an engine backfire. Then, inspect your suspension for broken springs and look under the car for a damaged drive shaft or CV axle. Knowing these potential causes can help you make a smart, safe decision on whether you can continue driving or if you need to call for a tow. Don't ever take a chance with a major, unexplained noise. It's your car's way of screaming for help. Thanks for watching. We hope this guide helps you stay prepared and safe on the road. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more car care tips. Drive safe, and we'll see you in the next one.